Mm-hmm.
This is. Did you just start? Oops. This is from California Harmony, okay?
Why?
Because it's your birthday. California Harmony sent you a present.
Present?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's your birthday. Just open it, okay? What's inside? Let's see what's inside. What's inside? Wow, what's this?
Whoa.
Oh. Wow, look at this. Okay, this looks like it's for Elise. Yeah? This is for Elise. Wow, that's pretty, huh? Do you want to wear this?
No.
No? This is for Elise. Oh, I think this is for David. Whoa, nice, huh?
Ah.
Yeah, it's a car. And very nice pants.
That's a long pants.
That's a long pants? Yeah, very nice. More shirt. See? Ooh, this is pretty. This is really nice.
DVD.
What is it?
Thomas.
Is Thomas Train? Thomas Train?
Open.
Ooh, another one.
Two.
Wow. It's a fan. Okay, look at this.
Look at another one.
See, you got a fan too.
Another one.
You got 2 DVDs. Oh my goodness. Harmony sent you lots of stuff. Harmony sent you lots of stuff. Wow. Candy.
Mom, open the candy.
Wow, there's a lot of candy. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Here you go.
Here you go. And then this is for Elise. And this is for David. This is for you. Look at that.
Thank you.
Let me see. Can you read it? Awesome grandson.
Okay.
See? Dear David, what else is there to say? Oh yeah. Happy birthday. 건강하고 착하게 자라나기를
Here you
매일
go, Mommy.
하나님께 기도합니다. 5살 생일에 2009년 10월 22일 할머니.
Open.
Say thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Open. Open.
She's eating paper.
Open.
Can you get it? It's in her mouth.
Open the candy.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Open.
I think you can stop it.
I'm gonna open the candy.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the candy.
Okay, Elise, let's look at your stuff. Come here.
I want to open it. I want to open.
Okay, mommy open for you. Mommy open candy for you.
No. It's a donut.
Okay, sit over there,
Wow.
David. David, sit over there.
David, sit over here. David.
It's open.
Look at this candy. Huh? What?
Sit over there. I can't get his face.
David. Here. Elise, this is for you. What is this? Wow! Look at that.
Sit around, Elise.
Elise. That's David's card. This is for you. That's for you. And this is for you.
Whoa.
Elise. Okay, say thank you, Harmony.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you, Harmony.
Look at the camera and say it, David.
David, look over here. David, look over here and say thank you, Harmony.
Thank you, Harmony.
Thank you.
Thank
Here you
you.
go. Thank you.
See?
What's this?
Only one. one, David. Don't eat too much.